Hello everyone, this is Sammy here from Regrow Media. Now welcome again. Today I have bring on another case study of a brand that is into supplement niche. And trust me, the last 2 months, or let's say August and couple of days in September, these 2 months are generally the lowest traffic time because of the sales that are going to come. Now this is an Indian brand, so August and September are very low in terms of Amazon traffic because our sales, Great India Sale or Q4s starts from 23rd September. Let me show you the results of this client. So let me just show you the sales numbers. So if I just go to reports, business reports, and let me change the date range. Let me show you from July 15th to August 15th first. You can see around 5,18,000 in sales. If I just change it from August to September 15th, you can see it is around 5,67,000 rupees. So obviously there is increase. If I just show you the campaign dashboard for this, here you can see from July 15 to August 15, the ACOS is 40.30%, spend is around 56,000, sales is 1,39,000. And if I just change it from August 15 to September, you can see the ACOS is around 27%, which is decreased. The ad spend have been decreased. So this was a supplement brand inside our agency Regrow Media. If you want to join with us, or if you want us to audit and share the strategies that we are going to implement on your account to scale it, give us a call. The number is there, or just reach out to us through the email that is provided below. Thank you so much.